Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways on how you can set password for Brave browser. So for that case, first of all, open up your Brave browser. And when you open it up, then tap the try bar icon from the top right and go to extension. As you press on extension, it's going to show you this sort of interface here. Go ahead and press on web store. When you do that, it's going to take you to the other field where you need to go ahead and press on the search bar. And then go ahead and type in set password for your browser and hit enter. When you do that, you'll be able to find this Chrome lock. Go ahead and press on it. And when you do that, you can go ahead and press on add to Brave. Once again, there will be some sort of extension. Go ahead and press on add to extension. And it's going to take a couple of seconds in order to load the pop-up menu for you to set a password. So now go ahead and press on it, and over here you can see there's the pop-up menu stating that set a password for your browser. And you also need to set your password. Since you're setting it for the first time, you should keep your password simple, maybe just 2 letters. So I'm gonna go with 123 and 4 and click the OK button. And here make sure to mark on the terms and condition and click the OK button and click on close. Now you could go ahead and open up your Brave browser, and then when you try to log in into your Brave browser, it's gonna ask you to type in the password that you recently set and click the OK button. Here you go, you have successfully set lock for Brave browser with password. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.